Hi, this is Jennifer A. Menza, and I'm coming to you on a product haul. These are some of the products I've picked up lately, and so I'm going to go ahead and let you see those. A couple weeks ago on Amazon, I picked up the Care number 2 Humectus Cream Conditioner because I really like this conditioner, and I got tired of picking up the small one, so I just went ahead and got the big one. And at Cvs, I picked up the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar for natural chemical process and heat styled hair. And then I picked up the Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask by Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And then I picked up the Kiki Tresses, I think it's their whole product line. I picked up the Kinky Tresses Avocado Infusion hair. I didn't bring the shampoo. I don't know what I did with the shampoo, but I brought the shampoo, the hair oil. I can't get it. It's not showing up. I got the hair milk, the hair butter, and the restorative conditioner by Kinky Tresses. And I got the shampoo, but I must have taken it, put it somewhere else. And then I'm doing the 30-day Sulfur 8 challenge, and I'm gonna continue it if I see good results. But I put in this mix, I did more than the Do Grow, because usually people do the Do Grow and the Sulfur 8, but I came upon another YouTuber's channel, and she told me what she had mixed with it, and so I decided to do what she mixed with it, and so I'll put her channel down below. So I put the Do Grow Mega Thick Formula hair oil. Then I did the Softy Indian hemp. And then I did the Blue Magic Original Super Sure Grow. And then I did the, I just got this recently. It's the jojoba oil, 100% pure organic. I got that from Walmart. These other products I already had, and I think that's all I put in it. Yeah, so I mixed those in a separate bowl, and then I put them back in the Sulfur 8 bottle, and I put them back in the bottle. And so I'm going to try that for 30 days, and I'll come back with my results. If you want to join me on this channel, just let me know down in the comment section, and we'll come back. I took a beginning picture, and then I'll come back in 30 days to let you know the results, if I got more growth than usual, because I have last time results when I shaved my head off, and so I'll show these results if I get any better results using this. I think that's all I had. Yeah, so that's what I brought lately. I did order some of the some more leave-ins and everything, so I'll come back and show you those. If you want any reviews on some of these products, just let me know. Comment, rate, and subscribe.